Okay, so here we have my aunt's 2006 Amana air conditioner. It's got a Copeland scroll down in that sound blanket. It is a straight cool unit. Filter dryer down there. It's a GE. (2006) 3-ton 16-seer. It's not been running. So, yeah. In here we have the air handler and furnace for the 2006 Amana. Unfinished basement. Lennox furnace. By the color and because of the Amana out there, I'm assuming that this is an Amana air handler. Could be wrong though. Nope, it's an Amana. Goodman. So, yep, you can see the wires for the expansion valve right there. Furnace is a Lennox Elite. This house was built around the 1984 range, so nothing here is original by any means. Yeah, and this is just the duct. That's right, that right there is the thermostat for the humidifier, which, since it's summer, it's off right now. Here's the data on the air handler. It is from 2008, and it is a 4-ton, I believe. Could be a 5-ton, but I'm pretty sure it's a 4-ton. Here's the water heater. Only 2.1 AFUE. There's the humidifier. Alright, and then this is the outdoor condenser right here running. See, it's shaking a little bit, but nothing too bad. The unit is still extremely quiet. Oh, it's getting sweaty and it is very cold.